Guys, today I'm going to be showing y'all my Lion King toy collection. So first off, we're going to start with Simba. Here we got Simba. This is adult Simba when he fights Scar. And he's kind of fuzzy. Kind of, like from here. And like from the body. So yeah, he's like those fuzzy toys. So yeah, he's really cool. Then next we got Simba's mom, because I don't think Nala looks like this. It's been a while since I've seen the movie, but this is Simba's mom. She doesn't move, but she's a nice toy. So let's put her there. Then we got Lion King McDonald's Simba. And he like makes noises like this. Shake him. And yeah. He's pretty cool. He moves his tail. Yeah. Next up we got is Simba. Simba, he's from the same set of McDonald's figures. And he will talk, except he doesn't work. He also moves his tail. And if you have some of the toys of you could like put them together, held up like this. Do you see? Well, sort of. Next up we got Zazu. I found him on Goodwill, so he didn't have the little tree branch. Let's put him there. We got Timon. No, Pumbaa. Timon and Pumbaa. Yeah, Timon. He's pretty cool. He's like a flashlight thing. Energizer. Yeah. Let me try to... Just because he doesn't really work. Well, he has a flashlight in his mouth, so yeah. Next up we got is this Mufasa statue. It's pretty cool. Zazu's supposed to be here, but he didn't come with it. I got it at a flea market. He's pretty cool. It looks really accurate to Mufasa. Here I got Scar. His tail broke. But yeah, he's really cool. He doesn't move. Well, he does. He moves his front legs, his back legs, and his face. Yeah. We got Nala. She is from McDonald's. She can move her head. Wait. Simba could also move his head. Yeah, sorry. Anyway, yeah, Nala moves her head and her tail. And shake it and she makes that noise. You could put them together like that. And this is supposed to come with a stick and a stand. And you're supposed to put it right there. So yeah. Pretty cool. Next up, we got Simba from the statue set. He's pretty cool. He doesn't move, but he's pretty cool. He looks pretty cool. We got Mufasa from McDonald's. He can move his tail. This is from the live action movie. He was supposed to talk, but he doesn't work. And then here I got Simba's mom. She makes a noise. Just shake her. And she does a noise, and you could put them together to make Pride Rock. So yeah. Next up we got here is Pumbaa. Well, now he only moves his tail. And yeah, what you do is you push him down, and look what he does. That's pretty cool. So yeah, let me get Simba. What you do is you just put them in there together. And then now look, it's like in the movie. Next up I got is Mufasa from Burger King. He's pretty cool. Very nice details. He could move his front legs, back legs, and his tail. He's really nice, nicely detailed. Next up we got is Pumbaa. Now he is the re-release, like Lion Guard or the re-release of 2019. But what he does is, in the 1994 version, you move the tail and his mouth opens. But now you just gotta open the mouth by itself with your hands. So it's pretty cool. He moves his front legs. Hold up. Okay, sorry, something's wrong with my camera today. But yeah, what y'all do, y'all just move up the head with your hands. And yeah, he's pretty cool. It looks good. I'm gonna put him with Timo. Hold up. Anyway, now here I got adult Nala from the Little McDonald's toy. And she doesn't really do any noise. She can move her head and her tail. And you just put her, like, I think behind there. Oh yeah, she does make noise. Just, yeah, you do that. So yeah, pretty cool. Next up we got a tiny Pumbaa. He's like a little statue, so he doesn't do anything, but very nice detail. And I got a new one yesterday. It's Simba from Mattel. Now, he is the battling one when he's fighting Scar, like, so, yeah, he's the one that fights Scar. And what you do is you press this back button here, and he does, like, that. Hold on, it's because it gets stuck in there. Hold up. So, yeah. And what you could also move his front legs, his back legs, and his tail. And he is different from the real, like the different one, because there's one with just not mad face, and there's one with the mad face. And yeah, very nice detail. He's made by Mattel. And yeah, he looks good with Mufasa and the others. So yeah, that's all my Lion King toys. And here I also got Aladdin toy and another Aladdin toy and another Aladdin toy and the lion from Madagascar, Alex the lion, Nemo, Shrek, a Frozen 2 toy, Bambi, and a fidget spinner. That was all in that bucket. So yeah, that's all from my Lion King toy collection. So yeah, hope you enjoy.